Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expedition. This is a follow-up video on Multiplifi. If you've not started with this airdrop, it carries prospect. You will be using your idle stable coin. So instead of it sitting idle, you can put it to use towards a prospective Multiplifi airdrop. You also earn APY in turn. In the last video, I did my first deposit, a small amount of USDT on the Binance chain, and this is my yield. At the time, I think the yield was around 17% APY. So you have the ability of claiming your yield, which I will not do. In the course of this video, it's very small. So there is indeed yield. At the moment, the yield that has been paid so far on the basis of a TVL of 93 million is 13.2 million, which is huge. If you want insight into their stats, what they are doing to hedge against crypto volatility, amongst other things, there's a stats page. So this is basically a tutorial video for you who wants to get started. There may be relevance to this project. The TVL is less than 100 million. It's also invite only, requires an invite. So I don't think there are many participants overall. And here it shows that there is a deposit limit that is on the USDC pool. I don't know if that applies. Let's see. Okay, so it's looking like a capped situation, but this is on the Binance chain. Okay, so it looks like in entirety. So on USD on USDT, it's capped at 50 million. For USDC, it's capped at 90 million. Anyway, if you want to get started, I'll be showing you how to get started in the course of this video. I'm adding a bit more equity, considering I have a bit more is spare. Okay, so I'll be doing it through the Binance Smart Chain, depositing USDT. Okay, so at the moment, I don't have funds on the Binance Smart Chain. I have it on the base chain, some ETH on the base chain. So what you want to do if you have a similar scenario as me is simply to bridge, some of that ETH over to the Binance Smart Chain. Let's see. Just a moment. You will need some BNB for fees. Let's see. Okay, so I do have BNB for fees. Wow, interesting. I forgot. Let's see here. Send. Three, two. Okay. By the way, something else you can do when it comes to Multiplifi is yap about it. That could give you an airdrop, a separate airdrop allocation for those who socially contribute to Multiplifi. So this is an option for those who cannot deposit to Multiplifi and use that route as an avenue to the airdrop. If you have an active Twitter account, onboard it on Kaito AI and start yapping about Multiplifi. They have a portal, Mindshare portal on Kaito, and a dedicated rewards page as well. Now this rewards, I believe, is different from the airdrop proper. This is a monthly event where they are rewarding 10k USDC to the top 50 yappers. Okay, and this event is only going to last till April 27th, so will conclude very soon. But if you look at the pre-TG category here, they do have a page there as well, meaning that those who socially propagate Multiplifi via X, whether in terms of posts or replies, they are being ranked here, and they could have an allocation specific to them. So you may want to consider doing this. Your invite to Kaito will be in the description. For depositors, then this video applies. I will now transmit some of the ETH I received to the Binance Smart Chain. So I'll be transmitting it as USDC. USDT. Okay. Now, Jumper Finance. Your use of Jumper Finance can also result in a Jumper Finance airdrop. You earn XP for every bridge transaction. Now, you also have the option of doing this on the Ethereum chain, assuming your funds is on Ethereum. The fee will be slightly higher. I believe that the yield on Multiplifi is high. The highest you'll be able to get anywhere, ranging. Last time I did a video, it was 17. Currently, it's at 13, which is still good. Quite delayed. While we wait, do well to go to airdropc.com and submit your email to subscribe to airdrop reminders. I'm working on 100 airdrops, which I'll send out to subscribers soonest once it's ready, which is soon. Basically, I've already reached the 100 mark. I'm currently working on the articles associated with each airdrop. I'll be sending the completed version out to subscribers, so submit your email here. You can contact me using this contact form, this Telegram, and this Twitter. Wow, this is taking very long. In the description, there will be a bunch of other airdrop opportunities there, similar to Multiplifi. You can check them out. There is DeFi app, a very simple one to participate in. Check them out. Wow. Okay, anyway, this is taking longer than expected. We'll just have to wait. But when the funds arrive, I'll be depositing it here. I'll be getting XUSDT in turn and start earning orbs. If you're a first depositor, you'll be getting a 20x multiplier. Wow. Anyway, I may not be able to end this video, just to keep the video, to end this process in the video. Let's see. Okay, so it's on the way. The funds have already left. Typically, it doesn't take this long. Okay, so bear with me on this one. I'll be ending the video now. If you have questions, you can also, like I said, contact me using airdropc.com. And that's about it for this video. When you are depositing, if you're a first timer, it's likely two transactions. The first transaction is to approve the expenditure or the transfer of your USDT, the specific amount you want to transfer, and then the second is likely the actual deposit. Okay, so I'll be, completing this in the aftermath of this video. Stay awesome, take action. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials.